Good morning you guys, welcome to VLOGTOBER day 19. We are up bright and early for a Saturday morning today to go and see my dad. So we're going to head over to Camden again and see them for a final time before they go back to America. I have not fully woken up yet, so I'm not going to keep talking. I feel very tired and sleepy. This is today's outfit, you guys. I am wearing great frog t-shirt with these super old Topshop trousers and my Doc Martens, the Sinclairs. They have like a zip down the front. They're pretty cool. And then I'm wearing this Moss Copenhagen leather jacket as well. Not sure any of this. Oh no, the Sinclairs are still available, so I'll link those up. Oh no, and the great frog top. Breakfast with my dad, said goodbye to my sisters as well quickly and my stepmom, and now I am going to start the wardrobe clear out. It's time, it's finally time. I've been talking about this for like 19 days since day one of Vlogtober and I'm finally getting around to it. Got a cup of tea. Everybody always asks me about these cups. I didn't buy them, they're my mum's. They're from Living. I can't read that. I'll try and find them online. Okay, so there's going to be a few categories here, you guys. There's going to be obviously some staying, some is going to be binned because it's like ruined, or not binned but recycled. Some is going to the new house. That'll be a mixture of things, either things that I literally just can't keep here because there's no room and they're not high priority, so like summer stuff I guess. They can go to the house. We will have a slightly bigger wardrobe there eventually, obviously not anytime soon, but I don't want to be keeping loads and loads more clothes because we have more space, which I'm sure will happen naturally anyway, but that's not really what I would like. I would like a more spacious wardrobe. Zach's shaking his head at me. But the other things are things that I'm going to either retire for a few years, like archive and bring back. Like I said to you before, things I'm going to like keep in the basement once we've got cupboards and stuff set up down there. Seasonal stuff, yeah. That kind of thing. So that's the various house stuff, and then some will be friends and family. So I'm going to start with denim and trousers because this is my most urgent requirement. The denim wardrobe's just what has happened there. This is something that definitely needs expanding in the next wardrobe situation because I wear denim and I wear trousers pretty much all the time, so I need more room for them really, and I need a better way of storing them because this kind of lengthways on hangers I'm not sure is really working, but I don't always like folding them because it's hard to tell which ones are which, as in folding them over the hanger. So especially with denim, because I have like multiple blue jeans in exactly the same shade but they're like different cuts, so I need to figure out a good way of storing them. Pinterested it into oblivion. I'll have to do it again when the time comes. But yes, this is the urgent one. So I'm actually going to try on a fair number of these. I'm going to get bored of that real quick. The ones that I kind of haven't worn for a while. And I won't bore you with everything, but I will show you whatever I think is interesting. Okay guys, first section. I've got my AirPods in because I'm also watching Real Housewives. The first section is going to be things I'm definitely keeping. Things I wear all the time. That's the easiest section to do. I'm going to try and go through as many of those as possible and just get them out the wardrobe so they can be rehung up. So the ones I'm not sure about, I'm going to leave them out, and there's going to be like a try on pile and then like a straight up get rid pile for whatever reason. So I'm going to go through those. So these are a pair of old white Topshop suit trousers, which I haven't worn for ages. I'd like to have a pair of white trousers in my wardrobe, but these ones, just something about this kind of area, they're not fitting quite right, and I just think I could definitely find like a nicer pair. So I'm going to add them to a list. See what I mean? Just around here something's happening which isn't right. I'm going to create a list of things that I'd quite like to buy at some point, not urgently, but at some point, just to kind of fill out some of the gaps in my wardrobe. And I think like a white suit and white suit trousers could be on that list. Slightly different but similar issue with these lilac-y ones. Since I've been going to the gym, like top of my thighs and my bum is a little bit bigger, and they definitely do not sit right anymore, so these have got to go as well. Don't worry guys, I'm not going to show you everything, but just wanted to say, by contrast, these green velvet ones actually I feel like fit me better than they used to, so they're definitely staying. These are old Topshop as well, and I actually have the suit jacket to these, so yeah, I'm liking these. Now I've tried them back on, hopefully I'll actually wear them. Okay guys, how much better does this look? Still doesn't look great because obviously it's not the optimal place to keep trousers. I obviously need the next wardrobe we have is going to have slightly taller ceilings, so I could even do double stack like this again, but so that you can actually see. Looking good. So I always organise by category, not by colour personally. I know that it's not as cute, but it helps me when I'm looking for something specific. So I've got kind of suit trousers to the left, then I've got kind of fun trousers moving into like leathers and strange materials, and then we've got cargo pants, trackies, culottes, and some kind of unusual items at the end here. I did move a couple of seasonal summery pieces out the wardrobe, but this pair of trousers I couldn't resist keeping in. Got these ones, but yeah, elasticated waists are more to the right. And then I do my jeans by colour, just because I'm usually either looking for blue jeans or black jeans or whatever. So yes, we're all organised. Some of them are double hangered because all of our hangers keep breaking, and I don't want to buy more because I don't know what the next solution is going to be or what hangers I'm going to want in the next place. So, but ideally there'd be just one item per hanger, but not possible at our end. Okay, next important section is jumpers. I feel like there's lots of jumpers in here which I love and wore a lot at uni, but I just feel like I've worn them too many times for now. So I'm going to archive a lot of these, I think, and keep them at the new house and just free up some space. Also, I would like to kind of transition some of the pieces to like higher quality pieces as well. So we'll see about that, but yes, this needs sorting desperately. Better does this look? Can actually move the jumpers around so I can see them a little bit better. And yeah, I've archived a lot of stuff, so this is all stuff that I definitely still love, but I just think it's time to give it a rest, give it a bit of a break. I'll need to find a good way to store it because obviously I don't want anything to get moth-eaten or ruined from storage, but yeah. So there we go. So I'm going to do one more section, you guys, and then I am going to rest for the rest of the day. This is tiring me out, and I'm going to do the rest tomorrow. But I'm going to tackle probably the biggest section and the one I kind of hate the most to look at, which is like t-shirts, tops, shirts, and shorts and skirts and stuff. I hate this bit. looking much neater in there. I tried on a lot of the tops and I think it's looking great, but Zach needs to do his half. But apart from that, it's looking much more roomy in there. Mickey. Gorgeous.
Next week, all the details are on your screen. Dancing next are Will and Jeanette. They're doing their couple's choice routine, so let's...
You have to lock in your answer.
Hi my loves, so I have been having a relaxing evening, watched Strictly as you saw. Oh, and finished a few episodes of The Affair that means I hadn't watched since the beginning of October. The Affair is going down a whole crazy route, but that is not something to discuss right now because I am tired and it is definitely time to go to sleep. It's been a long day today, so I am excited to sleep, and I think I might even have a little lie-in tomorrow. Before I start on the next part of the clear out, I think I'm only going to be able to do clothes by the end of this weekend. I can't really do all the like bits and bobs like the makeup and the middle section thing and my desk. All of that needs doing as well, but I think I will leave that for a different time. So that's that. So thank you guys for watching today. Not my most exciting vlog, but I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.